stay consistent within what you believe is possible, but stay consistent to your truth. Have you ever had a situation where you feel so frustrated, where you can't literally think of the next move ahead, where you are constantly thinking, how am I going to share this with my audience? How am I going to evolve? How am I actually going to present myself to others in an awesome and creative and refreshing light when you can't even post one post for today? It seems a lot and it's a lot of work, and we get it because, hey, social media is a full-time job. In today's time, we live in a microwave society, and it's imperative to not only share the value that you have within, but you have the freedom to actually do it on a daily basis and consistent basis. Now, the key thing to staying consistent is not only keeping a tracker, right, where we can actually provide that for you. It has helped us not only create a month's worth of content in less than 2 weeks, right, but it has helped us not only stay refreshing and also stay on track on what it is that we want to provide for our audience, provide that key value so we know how to show up for our audience, right? And for you, especially you, the one that's actually watching this right now, is because we want to cater to you specifically. We want to be able to show our best self to you, because we know that if we are able to do this for you today, right, we will be able to cater to you tomorrow, the next day, and the following day. It's imperative to not only stay consistent within what you believe is possible, but stay consistent to your truth. Because at the end of the day, people are investing in you. They're not investing in everything that's around them. They believe in you.